Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about the top 5 free themes of WordPress. And I have personally used these themes and installed them and used them in many of my websites, and I think these are the best themes ever. So let's begin in the video straight away. Okay, now here on number 5th is Jacra, and it is the best customizable theme for WordPress, and it is free. It is capable with Elementor. It has primary color. It has 10 different demos, and you can import any of the demos you want to import. It is lightweight and fast. It has 7 widget areas, and it has a responsive design as well. So yeah, it is the best theme ever, and it is on my number 5th, and it is a good theme I have used for many of my websites. I have used this theme for many websites I have built, so it is the best theme ever. So make sure to check out this theme, it is the best. So moving on to number 4 is Neve theme, another WordPress customizable and responsive WordPress theme. It is customizable with page builder like Elementor and other. It is lightweight and SEO friendly. So it has a pricing table capability as well. You can see all the website over here. It is a demo, and the links are in the description to download any of the free themes you want to download. So it has multiple demos, and it has 30 plus starting website, which means you can import any of the website you want from the 30 websites, demos and all. So make sure to check out this theme as well, Neve theme. The link is in the description for this as well. Moving on to number 3rd is Astra themes, and another, it is my favorite theme, and you can use it for any purpose. I mean, you can use it for e-commerce to build a store, or you can build a portfolio website, you can build a blog website, or anything you want to use. You can use Astra theme. It has many demos. You can import any of the demos, and it is very easy to use, and it is capable with Elementor and other as well, and it is free as well. So make sure to check this theme out as well. The link is in the description. Again, I am saying that, and it also has a pro version. So if you like this theme very much, you can download the pro version as well. You can see there 50,000 plus they have users installing Astra. So make sure to check out this theme as well. Moving on to number 2 is Ocean WP, another favorite theme for me. It can also use for any purpose, like for e-commerce store, or for blogging, or for business website, or for portfolio, or for travel website, anything. And it has also animation and interactive design page builder. It is capable with animation like in the slider, you can use it, and it has parallax effect as well. It has 13 different demos, sorry, not 10. It has 13 different demos, and it is very you can see here it is capable with Elementor, and all the preview and the reviews are here based on 2500 plus reviews, you can see there, and it is the best website as well. So make sure to check out this as well. It is flexible and multi-purpose design, and yeah, it is e-commerce ready. So another good theme for WordPress, and make sure to check this out as well. So one of my favorite theme as well. So now moving on the number 1, that means on the top, and it is Hestia theme. Now this theme is clean and beautiful and multi-purpose, and it has UI kit. It is a latest design trend theme. You can check this out as well, the demo. The link is in the description as well, and it is WooCommerce compatible. It is compatible with Elementor and any page builder. It has live customizer, and it has send-in blue integration from newsletter. So it has a multi-purpose demos that make it super exciting. You can see you can see that. Oh, you can look over there, this animation, and it is awesome, I think. And you can see all the demo side over there. You can completely import this demo, and your all website is ready. Check this out. Yeah, it is beautiful, very much beautiful. I like this very much. So these are the 5 websites I personally use myself, and I think these are the best. So make sure to comment down any you have any questions or any queries. Comment down below, I will answer them in the description. And thank you very much for watching my video.